Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to see how to add or use the Shopify coupon code feature. From your Shopify admin dashboard, navigate to Marketing, then Discounts, or directly click Discounts in the left sidebar. Click Create Discount at the top right corner. You'll be prompted to choose a discount type. Select Discount Code. This will let you create a promo code your customers can manually enter at checkout. Give your discount a title and under Discount Type, select whether it's a percentage, fixed amount, or a free shipping offer. Now scroll down to Purchase Type and select One-Time Purchase for regular orders only, Subscription for recurring orders only, and both if you want it to apply of all types. For subscription-only promos, choose Subscription. Now, under the recurring payments section, choose how often the discount applies, first payment only, every payment, or fixed number of payments. Now, to make your promotion visible to customers, go to your product section and open the product tied to your subscription plan. Add a short note in the subscription description. For example, use the code for free shipping on all recurring orders. And now when shoppers select the subscription option, they'll see the promo code reminder right on the product page. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.